The Mag Flex Plate is for non-MagSafe compatible Androids, iPhones, and cases. MagSafe compatible phones will auto-align with the built-in magnets. Your kit includes a paper guide, alcohol prep pad, and the Mag Flex Plate. Open the alcohol prep pad and thoroughly clean the back of your phone case. Wait a few seconds until the back of your phone case is completely dry. Place the guide on the back of the phone case using the corresponding guide marks to align it correctly. Proper placement is important for charging connection. Placement will vary by phone type, so ensure you are using the correct guides for your phone. Peel the protective film off the Flex Plate, being careful to not touch the adhesive. Place the Flex Plate in the center cutout of the guide. Remove the guide and press the Flex Plate firmly onto the phone case to secure it. That's it, you're ready to go.